Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch between macOS and Windows layout on your Logitech Wave Keys keyboard. To do it, you need to press and hold on two keys at once. So to switch to the macOS layout, you need to press and hold on the Fn and O key simultaneously until this light is solid. Then you can release and it should be switched. So it depends on which connection, because you have three connections here, on which connection you are currently on. See, when I type anything, maybe not, but yeah, if I click on this key and it lights up, this is my connection right now. And just to switch to that, when it becomes solid, then it's switched. Now to switch to the Windows layout, you need to press and hold on Fn and P. Then it should turn solid as well. And to switch to the Chrome OS layout, you need to press and hold on Fn and C for 3 seconds, then it should switch to Chrome OS. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.